Leland. Sit down. Sit down. It don't go on your toe, silly. It goes on your nose. Oh, look at Leland. It don't go on your toe. It goes on your nose, silly. It goes on your nose. You better leave Aunt Krista alone. She's gonna get mad at you. Give it to me. Here, Leland. No, it goes on your nose, not your toe. It goes on your nose. It goes on your nose. Doop! It fell off. Look at me. It goes on your nose, not your toe.